The third process is sentencing. Sentencing can occur in two main areas. One, after a formal trial where the accused has been found guilty of one or more offenses, or in the instance where the accused person has pled guilty. In either situation, some kind of punishment needs to be imposed for the violation of that particular law. And so the sentencing process can be almost as complex as the trial process. It's inherently individualized. There are so many factors that go into crafting an appropriate sentence that it's really beyond the scope of this video. But the types of things which are being analyzed are, does the accused person have a criminal record? Have they done this type of thing before? Have there been some serious consequences to the complainants? If it's a money case, has restitution been made? Has the accused person paid back any of the money that was taken? If not, then there's a lot more motivation to punish that person more severely than if they are able to pay back the money. Similarly to the extent of injuries. If a person was injured at the time, but they quickly got over it, maybe it's a little less serious than if there's lasting permanent emotional and physical damage to an individual. That will attract a much higher sentence. There's other sorts of, so the range of sentences are almost infinite. The main one that we try and avoid is jail. Unfortunately, at some point, that's the only blunt instrument that the system has to tell people not to do, to break the law. And jail can range from 1 day to life. It really depends on the circumstances of the offense. If the person has committed sexual offenses or serious violence, sometimes they can be incarcerated forever. Other types of sentences are fines or community service, probation. Really, it depends on the unique circumstances of your case. And so if you have been charged with an offense, I highly encourage you to get in touch with a lawyer to revisit your particular circumstances to figure out whether or not or what type of sentence you likely would be facing.